In 1955, Coca-Cola launched its first global advertising campaign, transcending borders and becoming a symbol of American culture. This campaign was not just about selling a beverage, it was about exporting a way of life, a taste of the American dream in a bottle. But behind the fizzy beverage was a powerful tool for soft diplomacy during the Cold War. The Cold War was a time of intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union, and every aspect of life, including consumer goods, became a battleground for influence. Coca-Cola had been an American icon for decades, but 1955 marked a turning point. The brand was no longer just a national treasure. It was poised to become a global phenomenon. The company launched its first true global marketing campaign, Around the Corner, Around the World. This campaign was meticulously crafted to resonate with people from different cultures and backgrounds, emphasizing the universal appeal of Coca-Cola. This bold strategy aimed to position Coca-Cola as the beverage for everyone, everywhere, connecting people through the shared experience of enjoying a Coke, no matter the country. It was a masterstroke in marketing, creating a sense of global community and shared joy. Coca-Cola's strategy was clear: make the brand a global cultural icon through unified international messaging. The company invested heavily in advertising, ensuring that the Coca-Cola logo and its associated imagery were instantly recognizable worldwide. As Coca-Cola expanded globally, it became intertwined with U.S. foreign policy. The brand's presence in foreign markets was often seen as an extension of American influence and values. During the Cold War, Coca-Cola was more than a soft drink. It was a symbol of American ideals. It represented freedom, prosperity, and the American way of life, making it a potent symbol in the ideological battle against communism. In countries recovering from World War II, Coca-Cola's presence, supported by U.S. aid programs like the Marshall Plan, was a subtle assertion of capitalism's benefits. The beverage became a part of the rebuilding process, symbolizing hope and renewal. The company opened bottling plants in Western Europe and Japan, areas critical to U.S. Cold War strategy. These plants not only provided jobs but also helped to spread American culture and values. Not everyone embraced Coca-Cola's global presence. There were pockets of resistance and protests against what some saw as cultural imperialism. In the Soviet Union and its satellite states, Coca-Cola was seen as a symbol of Western decadence. The beverage was often used in propaganda to criticize the excesses of capitalism. Communist regimes criticized the product as part of the capitalist machine. They portrayed Coca-Cola as a tool of American cultural domination, warning their citizens against its allure. But despite opposition, Coke's availability in Europe and parts of Asia became a soft power tool, winning hearts and minds by offering a taste of American life. The simple act of drinking a Coke became a small but significant gesture of alignment with Western values. From its first global ad campaign in 1955 to its role in the Cold War, Coca-Cola didn't just quench thirst, it bridged nations and cultures. It became a symbol of unity in a divided world, a testament to the power of shared experiences. Its story is one of marketing genius, cultural exchange, and soft power diplomacy. Coca-Cola's journey from a local beverage to a global icon is a fascinating tale of how a simple product can influence international relations. To learn more about the hidden influence of America's biggest corporations, subscribe to emgotv1. We delve into the stories behind the brands that have shaped our world. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to explore more stories of U.S. corporations shaping the world. Your support helps us bring you more insightful content.